So, find the derivative of this function. So, ang pinaka-first step natin gagawin dito ay ayusin natin itong mga radical sign. So, gawin natin siyang or i-convert natin siya sa exponents. So, ito na nga. So, yung fifth root, ang equivalent niyan ay 1/5. Exponent na 1/5. Yung radical sign or the square root, ang equivalent nito ay 1/2. At yung cube root, ang equivalent ay 1/3. So, next step. So, yung ating power rules, multiply natin yung exponents dito. Yeah. Multiply yan, multiply, and multiply. So, ayun, nung multiply natin to, 3 times 1 is 3 over 5. Ito na yung sagot. And then, 7 times 1/2. Ayan ang sagot. And 8 times 1/3. Ito yung sagot. So, ang sunod ay next step, i-derive natin. Ito na yung next. So, 10 times 3 over 5. Ito na yun, no? 10 times 3 over 5. And yung exponent, i-minus sa 1. 3 over 5 minus 1, ang sagot ay negative 2 over 5. And dito rin, 7 over 2 times 1. So, negative 7 over 2 din. And yung 7 over 2 minus 1, the answer is 5 over 2. And 6 times 8, eto. At yung exponent na 8 over 3 minus sa 1. So, ang answer natin dyan ay 5 over 3. And then yung negative 3, constant rule. So, kapag mag-derive tayo ng constant, automatic, 0 yung equivalent. Kaya hindi na natin ito na isulat. Okay, next. So, isolve na natin, no? So, 10 times 3 is 30. And 30 divided by 5 is 6. So, ang sagot natin dito ay 6. Yan. And kopyahin lang natin yung x raised to negative 2 over 5. So, yan yung first term natin. And then, so, kopyahin lang natin daw kasi wala namang kailangang i-solve dyan. So, copy this. Yan. And, kopyahin pa rin. So, ano yun? 5 over 2. And yung last term. So, ito na yung ating pinaka-final answer. So, 6 times 8 equals 48. 48 divided by 3 equals 16. And then, copy natin yung x raised to 5 over 3. So, yan. Gumamit lang naman tayo ng power rule. So, ito na yung ating answer. 6x raised to negative 2 over 5 minus 7 over 2 x raised to 5 over 2 plus 16x raised to 5 over 3.